What's up, everybody? Tonight we're gonna make ribs in the oven. So, cheers and let's cook. Real quick, we're gonna throw together a rub for our ribs. That is gonna be a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 2½ tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. We'll just mix that all together with a fork. Got our rub set aside. Our oven is preheating to 350, so it is time to prep our ribs. Just gonna get rid of this white skin on the back, make it a little tough. So I'll come under with my knife, try to get as close as I can to that first bone. I want to get enough of that up to where I can get a nice grip on it. Now I can just pull it off, just like that. Ready to go. I'm going to drizzle mustard on both sides of this guy. Rub that mustard down. I'm going to hit that with the rub. Our ribs are beautifully seasoned, so I'm just going to fold the edges over. We'll wrap that up. And that is going to go into the 350-degree oven for 2 hours until it's nice and tender. It has been 2 hours, so I just popped those ribs out of the oven, and I'm just going to rest them for about 15 minutes before we sauce them and put them back under the broiler. We let that guy rest, just unwrapped it, and now I'm going to brush some barbecue sauce over that. I am using my homemade chipotle barbecue sauce. If you would like to make that, I will leave a link at the end of the video, or you could just use whatever your favorite barbecue sauce is. We'll just get that rubbed down, and that's going to go back under the broiler for just a minute. Caramelize that barbecue sauce. Guys, we got some super tender, super delicious ribs here. The flavor is just incredible. Hope you enjoyed. Also, the recipe for that chipotle barbecue sauce should be right in the corner. There's a link for that. Please don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. The recipe is written in the description right below the video. Guys, cheers, and I'll see you next time.